LEVOIT Core 300 Purifier, sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the LEVOIT Core 300 Purifier, designed to eliminate allergens in bedrooms, for pets, and smokers. This powerful purifier covers up to 1095 Sq.Ft, cleaning the air in just 12 minutes. Equipped with a 3-in-1 filter, it captures large particles, absorbs odors, and traps fine particles. Enjoy a quiet operation at just 24 dB, ensuring undisturbed sleep for you and your family. The automatic mode detects air quality and adjusts the fan speed accordingly for optimal performance. Optional nightlight and timer settings allow for convenient scheduled air cleaning. The LEVOIT Core 300 is 100% ozone-free, CARB-compliant, and ENERGY STAR certified. Each purchase includes the air purifier and 1 replacement filter to maintain peak performance. For continued efficiency, search for LEVOIT Core 300 RF to find compatible replacement filters. Rated 4.8 stars. Link in the description.